Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the Development Bank of the Philippines. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.dbp.ph and hit enter. After the home page of the DBP opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the online banking option, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the DBP EC banking option. After you click on the DBP EC banking option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, on the left hand side of your screen, just above the list of participating banks option, you'll see the register now button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the register now button, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the next option. Once you click on the next option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on this I agree with the terms and conditions page and then click on the next button. After you click on the next button, you'll be guided to step 2. In this step, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your user ID here, your password here. You'll have to confirm your password here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button and if you have filled in all the required credentials, you'll be guided to step 3, which will help you to register into the DBP. I hope this video helped you to register into the DBP. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.